Hey guys, so it's a nice crisp fall night and I'm feeling a fall salad. So that's what we're gonna make with our prep ahead fall vinaigrette, which I showed you guys how to do, which is delicious. So I make this all the time. A lot of times I have this in my fridge during the fall, and here we go, perfect example. So I'm gonna use some fennel, celery, radicchio. I have some marinated kale. So a lot of times when I get my kale, I'll leave some dry for kale chips. So this is totally cleaned and dried, ready to go. And then other kale I cut really small and I put a little bit of lemon juice, olive oil, and salt. And this is like my go-to for salads and stuff because it kind of breaks down the leathery aspect of the kale. So this is like my raw kale that I like having in my fridge. I also have some cleaned and dried romaine lettuce. So let's just start building. So first I'm just gonna start getting everything sliced and in a bowl. So this is my fennel, my mandolin. I like making my fennel very thin. Look at these beautiful thin fennel strips. Oh, so beautiful. Fennel like screams fall to me. It's also amazing grilled in the summer, but right now we're making a fall salad. That looks great. A little bit of fennel also goes a long way, so this is a nice amount. Pop that in our bowl. Next, we're gonna take some celery and we're just gonna make little mandolin celery. I love a thin celery slice in a salad. Nice fresh crunch. Perfect. So I have a few different mandolins just because I cook so much, but you can easily just cut this very thinly with a knife. A lot of times on the side of graters, like if you have a box grater, they usually have a little mandolin thing. Like on my fork grater, there's a mandolin cutter right here. So make sure if you have something like this, take a look because a lot of times they have that. Okay, so we have our celery. Okay, let's do another one. So then also I have some baked sweet potato. I cut it small. I mixed it with olive oil, salt, a little bit of cinnamon to add to our fall flavors. So I'll also be adding that to our salad, which is a nice little hearty touch. A little cozy. Look at how beautiful that is. The thin, oh, I love thin celery. It's so nice in a salad. Okay, great. So now we're gonna add some of our kale, some of our marinated kale. Thinly slice the radicchio. Now this, some people think this is a little bitter, so I like a really thin slice. And I don't even think I'm gonna use it all. I think I'm just gonna use a handful. Look at how beautiful this is looking. Oh, I love it. Yummy. I think I'm gonna add a little more kale. Okay, let's get our romaine in the bowl. Wow, guys, this is looking beautiful. Okay, so now let's build our salad. So to this, I'm gonna top it with some sweet potato. I'm gonna top it with some pine nuts. And I'm also gonna top it with some goat cheese and pomegranate seeds. Pomegranate seeds screams fall and winter to me. Goat cheese. Just gonna sprinkle some on top. Oh my gosh, my kids are really wanting to play, which we will. We're gonna have all the rest of the day to play after this. I just wanted to show this to you guys. It's so delicious. Okay, so fall vinaigrette that I showed you guys the recipe for. Oh my goodness. Look at how gorgeous that is. How do you not want to just dig into that? Well, I'm going to. gosh. So beautiful. It's so hearty. Oh my gosh. The sweet potatoes really grounds it. It's got the bitterness of the radicchio. Oh my gosh. The pomegranate cheese coming through, the beautiful creaminess of the goat cheese. This is amazing. This is why I want to show this stuff to you guys, because it's so easy and so simple to put together. This was already made and in my fridge. Like, this was already marinating and ready to go. All these little prep ahead steps just makes a gorgeous meal like this that much easier. I love sharing this stuff with you guys. Thanks for hanging out. I'm gonna go eat this now. It's a little messy on camera, so I'm gonna step over here.